major crackdown on Khalistani operators. It's been a big win for the Bathinda police because we understand that the counterintelligence unit of Bathinda and Bathinda police have arrested 3 6 for justice operators for writing pro-Khalistan slogans at various public places, including Bathinda and in Delhi as well. They were reportedly backed by New York-based mastermind of the 6 for Justice named Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. Let's go across to my colleague Amandeep, who's joining us with more details. Amandeep, what more can you add to that basic flash coming in?
Well, absolutely. It's a very major crackdown of Punjab police against these Khalistani activists in Punjab and operating in Delhi also. Punjab police have initially collected the very scientific evidence from the spots where this pro-Khalistani graffitis has been pasted on the walls of the government offices in Bathinda in Punjab. And after that, the investigation has been wider, and in fact, they have collected the CCTV footages. With the help of locals, they are able to identify those 3 people who are involved into these incidents. With the first arrest, the first arrest disclosed that they were involved not only in Punjab and in fact in Delhi also. Delhi metro stations were being painted by the pro-Khalistani graffitis in the month of May itself, and in fact at the metro station of Jhandewala and Karol Bagh. So now the police investigation reveals that all 3 who were arrested, they were a part of that pro-Khalistani activities following the directions of Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, who is the General Counsel of Sikh for Justice organization, which is another pro-Khalistani organization. So now the police is trying to find out their connections and their network in Punjab and Delhi also, who were operating on the directions of Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, and even how many more incidents they were involved into and how they are getting the money from Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, just because initially investigation is suggesting that they are working for the money. Gurpatwant Singh Pannu is offering a huge amount of money for writing these pro-Khalistani graffitis at the different places, and in fact how the money is getting transferred into their accounts or they are dealing with the cash. So this is the point of investigation which the police is pressing into, and even the police is also investigating and trying to find out the network of these Khalistani activists who are actively involved into these kind of activities as well. How many people, who are they, where are they sitting, and what are their next plans, just because Gurpatwant Singh Pannu is trying to exploit the youth and the people who are staying in Punjab for these kind of activities, and police is continuously cracking down on these kind of elements as well. So 3 people have been arrested and more are expected, and let's wait and watch what will pan out in the investigation, just because this is not only to 1 incident or to 3 incidents. This is a huge network which is continuously operating in Punjab on the directions of Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. Yes.
All right. Thanks a lot, Amandeep, for joining us with those details. Let's move on from Punjab.